the picture?
Don't believe in the Easter Bunny.
Apparently not anymore. You didn't finish your dinner. Yummy.
Fine, I'll finish it for him.
Now it's all the reptiles and fish. Piranha.
Ooh, a piranha.
A-A-R-D-B-A-R-K. Hello there, Mr. Peacock. Chase it, Joey.
He's gonna get ya.
Did you touch it?
I touched it. But you can't feel it. Just that over.
Oh, drat. An ankylosaurus.
Ankylosaurus?
Yeah. So we're breaking the rules. It says don't walk on the volcano. And we definitely are. All the kids are like, Daddy, I want to go over there. And the dad's like, no, you can't, you can't. When me and Joey are doing it, because it clearly says right there, don't climb on the volcano. But rules are made for breaking. Right?
That's correct.
Yes. Corythosaurus. Corythosaurus.
Corythosaurus.
Huh. You're right, Corythosaurus.
I am right.
Yes.
Yeah, hi, Jake.
I could.
Dangerous. Imagine it just falling on you.
Try and climb.
It'll fall on me.
It's connected.
Don't like it.
It says no dumb kids. You're not allowed on there, Joey. Damn it. Only the smart ones. Cool.
Follow the trail of food to the dinosaurs.
Follow the trail. Daddy.
Joey the deceiver. Tricked those little kids into thinking there was real dinosaurs.
But I thought there were real dinosaurs.
Oh yeah, they're.
What's that? Look, it's a real dinosaur. That's
real
actually kind of
dinosaur.
cute.
It's real.
So we are leaving the zoo now. Took lots of pictures and videos. It was fun. Did you learn anything?
Yes.
What?
learned that monkeys don't like ice cream.
I learned that groups of penguins on land are called waddles.
Sometimes it's
and
a bit
at
of
sea
both.
they're
It's
called
awesome.
rafts.
You know what?
You can't just look at things and then read them and say that you learned them.
Feathers that provide a thick waterproof
You're cheating.
coat.
You're cheating. You can't do that. It's like saying I learned that the lead core group is working on the construction of the penguin area around here. See, I can't take that. It's just cheating.
I learned that in a single day, one large penguin colony can eat several tons of fish.
You're doing it again. Cheating.
Yeah. Whatever.
Giant beach balls that actually have their arms are much longer than that, typically measuring over 7 feet or 2.5.
So I'm bringing something home with me from the zoo. It's a lemur! Isn't he so cute? And his eyes glow in the dark. Are you crying, Joey?
I'll bet.
Poor Joey. Sad face, Joey. Boo-hoo. So me and Joey decided not to have dinner where we originally planned. We were having sushi instead. Yay, I love sushi.
Hey, we were supposed to go to Montana's. You tricked me.
There we were.
Damn it.
Oh, it's very yellow beer.
You see that? That's the proper way to pour a beer. That makes me a man.
Explain how full you are in a poem.
I am so full. It's such a fluke, or maybe I would puke. Free fall. Why you gotta put me on a spot like that? Tell me to make up a poem, and then, you know, I'll make up a poem, and then I'll go on the internet. Stop filming me anytime now.
So we had sushi, and it was yummy, but we're really full now. And we have to wait, what time is it? 6?
We gotta wait a half an hour before we jump in the pool.
Oh, we can't go swimming for half an hour. Damn it! Joey's so full, he's having a hard time breathing. What's the analogy that you used again?
Why, that I feel so full, I'm like one of those old fat dogs that breathe funny.
Yeah.
It's like I just went and walked to my bowl of food and then had to go lay down because it was too far to walk.
So now, me and Joey are going to go to Shopping Center. We have about an hour to waste. I'm going to drag Joey into Hollister with me, look around, and then we're going to go and see. We're going to see the Fast and the Furious #5.
Uh-huh.
Yay! Hi.
I feel like a sloth. I wish I was a sloth. Because then I'd have an excuse. But I have no excuse.
I think you scared her.